In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily remove your PIN on Windows 11. Now, if you're ready to get started, grab your computer and let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to the Start menu. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click that familiar Start button. Once you do, a menu will pop up with various options. From here, what you want is the Settings option. Click on Settings, and you'll be greeted with a whole dashboard dedicated to customizing and managing your Windows 11 experience. Now that you've got your Settings window open, take a look at the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click on Accounts. This is going to bring you to another screen, and this one is all about managing details pertinent to your Microsoft account and how you sign in and out of Windows. Within your account settings, locate and click on Sign In options. This specific area is what controls all the different methods you have set up to access your device, whether it's through a password, a PIN, or even Windows Hello facial recognition. After that, you will need to scroll down a bit until you find the section titled Ways to Sign In. Here you'll see various options, but the one you want to focus on is PIN, Windows Hello. This is where the magic happens. Next, expand the PIN option by clicking on it. Once expanded, you'll see a button labeled Remove. This is exactly what you want to click on to proceed with removing your PIN from your Windows 11 device. Just give it a click, and you're one step closer to saying goodbye to that extra layer of security. Finally, be prepared for a verification step. Windows 11 will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account password. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the authorized user attempting to make this change. So go ahead, type in your password, and confirm the removal. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your PIN from Windows 11. It's a pretty simple process, but make sure you're ready for any changes this might mean for your device's accessibility and security. If at any point you want to add the PIN back, you can easily do so following similar steps, but selecting Add a PIN from the same menu. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in achieving exactly what you needed. For more straightforward tech tutorials like this, make sure to stick around and explore more of our videos. Goodbye for now.